Hey guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics, and we have our red, black, and transparent hearts for you. It is an incredibly humid day. It just finished raining, so we're having some issues here. It is obviously red, black, and transparent. So these are red and black hearts, and they are red, black, and transparent. These are really pretty tiny. Each heart is probably about the size of a dime or smaller. The larger ones here are about a dime size, and everything else is a little bit smaller than a dime, I would say. We are going to dip to a white speed shape with this one. You can change up your base coats depending on, if you really want to keep that reddish pinkish color, but we're going to dip to a white speed shape primarily right now to see how red that color really turns out. It might end up being a little more pinkish. Doesn't need a whole lot of activator. This is probably going to stretch a little bit. It's so humid, it's stuck to the side of my tank before I could dam it off, so. I have to say that is probably more pink than red. We may end up changing the name of it, but it does print well. It's like a hot pink, so almost red. But I guess it's kind of in the eye of the beholder. But those are, here, let me grab a quarter. They didn't end up stretching too much, so. They are about dime size, except for those larger ones that I said are a little bit larger maybe. But that prints really nice. That will be, I believe, in the abstract section. We have some other heart patterns. It'll be wherever they are. I believe it's in the abstract section though. That's obviously at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.